Hey guys, welcome to another video of Swan Academy, and in this video there is a second step, that is increasing the number of germ cells by the mitosis process, and how much the quantity of these germ cells such as spermatogonia or the oogonia occur in them. Mitosis is a process in which one cell producing the two cells, and each of the cells consists of the diploid number of the chromosome, that is the 2n, not the haploid. Just like the parents consist of the 2n chromosomes, and the daughters also consist of the 2n chromosomes. This is the happening in the mitosis process. And these mitosis will always cause increase in the production of the cells. Whatever it is, the germ cells or epithelial cells, or sometimes any kind of the cells. And these mitosis will increase in the production of the germ cells. Here is the males. In the males, these germ cells are called the spermatogonia. These are called the spermatogonia. While in the females, these germ cells are called the oogonia. Spermatogonia and the oogonia, that is in the males, and this is in the females. Spermatogonia and the oogonia, and this spermatogonia and the oogonia have the different kind of the cells and the different quantity of the cells that is produced by the mitosis. If we talk about the oogonia, in the first video we have talked about the origin and the migration. Here is the yolk sac, and the germ cells will migrate here into the gonads. That is the gonads. That is the ovary. In the females, gonad is the ovary, and these germ cells will migrate into the gonads. Here these germ cells are need to be increased in the amount, and this increase in the amount is done by the mitosis, and here is the mitosis and producing billion of the cells. In a pregnant woman, that is consisting of the that is carrying 20-week fetus. In the 20-week fetus, it produces a huge amount of the germ cell, that is 5 to 7 billion of the germ cells. And this is the higher amount of the germ cells that is ever present in the lifetime of the females. You can just imagine that this is the huge amount, 5 to 7 billion of the germ cells. And these germ cells, this amount of the germ cells are not present in the spermatogonia in the males. This is the huge amount, and these huge amount will always be degraded, and these will be degraded by a natural process that is called the natural degradation of the atresia. Here is the atresia process, and the atresia will cause there is a reduction in these 5 to 7 million, sometimes to the 40,000 only. And this is the huge amount that is ever attained in the lifetime of the females. If we talk about the spermatogonia, here is the testis. There is a migration of these germ cells. Here is the migration, and here is the mitotic proliferation or the mitotic division. The mitotic division, multiple amount of these germ cells in the testis, that is the gonads. And these mitotic proliferation will always pursues without any age limit, because there is an age limit. There is an age limit, that is the menopause. Whenever the female faces the menopause problem, then there will not increase, or the ovulation process will be stopped. And whenever the menopause will come in contact with the females, then this process will not occur. While in the males, there is always production, there is always maturation of the sperms. There is no any stop age of these sperms for the mitotic proliferation. So this is the whole scenario that is present in the mitotic proliferation in the males and the females. Hope you understand this, and in this next video we are going to talk about there is a reduction in these germ cells number.